Hello, my name is Philippe Daniel Merrier. I'm a member of the True Sea Project. You probably know that plastic waste is a big problem in our oceans and seas, but do you know that there's 8 billion kilos of plastic that ends up in our oceans every year? 99.9% of all of our beaches are polluted with plastic waste. So thanks to the True Sea Project, we can take this plastic waste and turn it into useful, cool, and beautiful objects that you can use in your home. You want to find out more? Follow me. Thanks, Phil. So here in our central recuperation area in Brussels, all the different plastic that we recuperate from the sea will be separated, sorted, and then we will go on to the next phase. You want to see more? Follow me. Our separated plastic is now going to come on this line, thank you, Tom, where it's going to be transformed and compressed into 350 kilo bales. Thank you, Carapat. This different material will then be transformed into pellets. These 100% recycled pellets are now going to become 3D printing filament. This filament is going to make the amazing objects which you can use in your home. You want to see the next step? We told you we were going to make some creative and useful objects for you out of the waste. Well, we are. Thank you, Tom. Like this cup, this tray, this table, or even this chair. How do we do this? Thanks to our amazing designers like Dario here. Good job, Dario. This chair. Here for you.
Hola, me llamo Darío y soy el director creativo de la campaña. La verdad es que no tenía mucha idea de por qué era tan necesario este proyecto hasta que empecé a trabajar para él. No me di cuenta de lo grande que era el problema y no fue hasta que empecé a investigar y a ver los vídeos en internet que hay sobre todo el daño que le estamos haciendo a los animales que de verdad me di cuenta de que necesitamos una solución. Y nosotros lo que ofrecemos es una solución real y viable para corregir todo ese daño que le estamos haciendo a la fauna marina.
My name is Karapet. I'm the co-founder of the True Sea Project. Through the True Sea Project, what we do is we offer a true solution to the plastics that's being fished from the oceans through 3D printing. Currently, there are different organizations and companies that are actually collecting the plastic that comes from the ocean. But there's not a lot happening with it. We're actually offering this true solution through 3D printing. Together with you, we can launch this project worldwide. We need your support to do this. Thank you very much.